course. And it's all gonna melt together and easy to make.
This is our herb garden.
Bon appétit! Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garon, and in here you're gonna see some very simple recipes because I love cooking forever. I'm not a chef, but I have been cooking for a long time and I really enjoy it. And I want to share with you some of my tips and some of my recipes. We follow a Mediterranean diet mostly. We try to eat very healthy all of the time, trying to go on the low carb as well. And so if you're trying to lose weight, all of my recipe will be just perfect for you because they're all in line with the Mediterranean diet. I hope you enjoy the information that you're gonna find here. I hope you use those tips and that you try those recipes. They are always very simple, easy to do because these are my recipes that I just cook for everyday meals. So enjoy. Of course, and it's all gonna melt together and easy to make.
This is our herb garden.
Hi, this is Marie-France here and I am...
So we have 3 zucchini here.
Bon appétit! Beautiful old part of Montreal. It's beautiful summer day, it's July, and we start a beautiful Japanese restaurant here near our house. Hello and welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France and I'm here. Et voila! It's the cod Amandine part of Quebec City. This is called Petit Champlain. And what we're gonna put is, I've decided I'll try sizing and I will grill here. This is the spaghetti squash. Now, it's delicious and it's healthy. Bon appetit! It's beautiful. Here is the fish market recipe again. Everything that I make is always quite simple, easy. This is some spaghetti squash happening. I saw some cucumbers. Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. This zucchini, you can use it with anything. You can use it with a pink salt. And it's important to salt because we're preparing the tzatziki that's gonna go with the lamb. It's so delicious. So I hope you enjoy it. We're making a fiber chocolate. Is it green or is it green? Quantity. I have a whole cauliflower here because I'm making a big tray. It is so nice. Who wants potato? This is just as nice and it's healthy and it's low carb. It's the cauliflower baked.